I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Close any files and ensure your workspace is not running tasks or extensions that lock files. Next, locate the Code Workspace file or confirm you're using a folder workspace by checking the title bar. Once done, note the exact file path and whether you want to delete user settings tied to that workspace. Make sure to back up the Code Workspace file if you may reuse settings later. This prevents accidental permanent loss. You'll now remove the workspace entry and the file. Use Command Palette, Run Workspaces, remove workspace from recent to clear history. Then choose File Close Workspace to exit the session. This prevents Vscode from automatically reopening it. After Vscode is closed or the workspace is closed, delete the Code Workspace file from the file system using your file manager or terminal. Make sure no background process is using the file. Otherwise, delete. You finish by ensuring no stray settings remain. Open Settings and search for workspace-specific overrides to reset or delete them. If you deleted the Code Workspace file, empty the trash if you need permanent removal. If deletion fails, make sure Vscode is fully closed and no shell processes hold the file. Check file permissions and run a command like rm or del with elevated rights only if safe. If settings still reappear, restore from backup, then repeat removal steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.